So how to return and refund some skins and emotes in Fortnite. So this is going to be my Fortnite application. So click on your profile in the upper right corner. Once you're in there looking for settings, should be this one, the gear icon. So by clicking on this one, look for the one that says account and privacy. Should be this one right here on the very last one. So in here, click on recent purchases. Before you click on that one, please read what does it mean. So basically, you can cancel any unintentional purchase made with V-Bucks. Cancel purchase is available until you use your purchase during gameplay. Basically, you have a 24-hour window to cancel your purchase. Now, for a returning purchase, there is going to be 3 annual return tickets instead, and they're reset every 12 months. Basically, I still have 3 return tickets available, and that is basically resetting every 12 months or a year. So if I click on recent purchase right here, I'm gonna see all of the items that I can return and refund. Again guys, those are 2 separate occasions. Cancel and return and refund are all different things. Just to summarize everything, you can return your items for 3 times a year, and basically you have a cancel purchase window for 24 hours.